being scripted, the animated, remember to smile. Today on Texas Dave Investigates, I'm Texas Dave and I'm investigating. You ever seen those little mini bikes, those little tiny things you can get at Tractor Supply? Have you wondered, are they any good off-road? I wonder the same thing, so we're gonna investigate today with Texas Dave on Texas Dave Investigates.
I can't stress to you enough how completely unqualified I am to be riding dirt bikes. Oh, that's the wrong line. That's the wrong line. Ah! We'll never make it. Oh! Little known fact. Woo! Oh God! Oh yeah, I got 6 turning. Ah! Oh, what Jesus, what Jesus? You shall not pass. Sick burn. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God, my peg's stuck. I can't slow down. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Which side do I go? Which side do I go? Shit! Ah! Oh, you gotta grab the rut on this one, and then you gotta hold full throttle up the hill, or you'll never make it! You'll never make it! Ah! Oh, that's the wrong line. That's the wrong line! Ah! The Coleman will go anywhere and do anything. That's what I have to tell myself every time I go anywhere on it. No matter what happens, I'm gonna go, oh God, oh, I'm gonna make it. And you can do it. First time I saw one of these at Tractor Supply, I was like, yeah, whatever. Now, I can't imagine my life without it. Oh my goodness. You guys see that? I'm a stunt rider. See me wheelie that thing up and catch it like a stunter? That was stunt. I just did stunt. I stunted it. Not the left side. Not the left side. That's one. Ow! Oh, ow! I don't know, I ran over, but it hurt myself. If there's not 10 minutes worth of comedy in this, I give up on my whole career. Oh, crud, bud. Oh, alright, we're still good. We got this. Oh, yeah. Oh! Got the peg down and peg down. Dump. Brick this little trail. And I, again, least qualified person. Even the best pro riders, you know, have to fully dismount for long periods of time. At least that's what I'm telling myself. Just decided that was a finish line because it felt like it would look like a finish line, and I got nothing left in the tank. Guys, the real it smells like gas. It's got a kickstand, man. You don't have to be dramatic. You're not in friggin' Aerosmith. You're not the lead flautist in Creed. You don't just get to throw your equipment around. Some people, dude. However, still undamaged. Okay. The real takeaway for today is, one, the Coleman don't give a French kiss. 2, I need to like take a yoga class or 12. And most importantly, I think what we can all take away from this is I'm not a motorcyclist. Is that right? And I'm not equipped to teach you how to do motorcycle-ing. However, if you want the best people and facility on planet Earth to learn how to drive rally cars, we got you covered. But give me like a week to recover from 10 minutes of riding a motorcycle.
Please don't make us get real jobs.